For a long time I struggled with poor blood circulation in my legs and feet. It wasn't just uncomfortable, it affected my daily life. I tried multiple treatments, consulted doctors, but nothing seemed to provide the relief I so desperately needed. I was frustrated, and I'm sure some of you can relate to that feeling of helplessness when you're dealing with a persistent health issue. It felt like I was stuck in a never-ending cycle of discomfort. But then one day I stumbled upon something that changed everything. It was a simple yet powerful solution: vitamins. Yes, those little wonders that our bodies need for various functions turned out to be my saviors. Let me walk you through the vitamins that made a significant difference in my life and might help you too. The vitamin B group, vitamins for varicose veins. Vitamin B is actually a group of 8 essential vitamins. I've never been sure why they don't warrant their own letters. Taken together, this group of vitamins is particularly valuable for vein health. They strengthen blood vessels and might actually prevent the development of varicose veins in some people. Taking a vitamin B supplement might prevent varicose veins during and after pregnancy, or provide a boost to someone whose job requires a lot of standing. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is most beneficial for circulation as it helps to keep nerve and blood cells working well. Without enough vitamin B12, the body may not be able to create enough red blood cells to transport oxygen around the body. The result of this could be fatigue and weakness. Vitamin B6, on the other hand, is associated with a reduced risk of CVD. This is because it could lower levels of an amino acid called homocysteine, which in excess has been associated with heart disease. Research has shown that blueberries in particular could reduce risk of cardiovascular disease. It is possible that one of the reasons for this is the high vitamin B6 content of them. In addition to this, vitamin B6 is thought to improve capillary circulation. This is the movement of blood through the smallest blood vessels. Vitamin C is among the best vitamins for vein health. Vitamin C does a lot to promote vein health. Here are some of what it does for veins. Strengthens vein walls, has antioxidant qualities that protect membranes from free radicals that damage cells, helps veins heal from damage, reduces inflammation, helps produce the protein collagen. Vitamin C is in citrus fruits, berries, tomatoes, broccoli, and potatoes. Fun fact: British sailors used to eat lemons and limeys to prevent scurvy, a disease caused by a lack of vitamin C that affects the body's ability to heal. Some subjects in the far-flung empire found this amusing and called visiting sailors limeys. Niacin, or vitamin B3, is another critical nutrient that plays 2 key roles in supporting circulation. First, it helps regulate bad cholesterol, which can restrict blood flow and lead to heart problems if too much of it builds up. Secondly, it helps the blood vessels to dilate or open, allowing more blood to pass through and improving circulation. Supplementation is not generally necessary because B3 is plentiful in many plant and animal-based foods. However, it can be taken as part of a B-complex supplement if needed or when recommended by your doctor. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is among the best vitamins for leg circulation. Like vitamin C, vitamin E is an antioxidant that can help prevent and repair cell damage. It keeps platelets from sticking together, an important factor in preventing plaque buildup. Vitamin E is also one of the post-circulation treatment vitamins that can improve overall vein health. Moreover, it's one of the best vitamins for legs. It's key for boosting blood circulation, particularly in the legs. Physicians often prescribe vitamin E for patients who complain of leg cramps that may be caused by narrow or hardened arteries. Vitamin E can also reduce the size and appearance of spider veins. Lack of E may be one of the reasons for stiffening of the arterial wall, which tends to raise blood pressure. Vitamin E is thought to be good for blood circulation, which may be helpful if you are prone to cold hands and feet, even when it isn't winter. There is also evidence that vitamin E could support the health of blood vessels and the flow of blood in the arteries. Vitamin E is naturally found in spinach, almonds, peanuts, sunflower seeds, avocado, soya, corn, and olive oil. Vitamin D. Vitamin D could work to strengthen endothelial cells, which act as a barrier between blood vessels and tissues, and manage the flow of substances in and out of cells. As a vitamin for vein health, vitamin D has an unusual contribution. It helps veins contract and relax. This helps veins keep their elasticity and prevents them from stiffening, which would interfere with proper blood flow. It could also help to strengthen the blood vessels and reduce levels of a hormone called angiotensin, which drives up blood pressure and inflammation. Vitamin D deficiency has also been associated with an increased risk of cardiovascular disease. This may be to do with its role in helping to keep the arteries and blood vessels relaxed. Unlike other nutrients, the body has the ability to make its own vitamin D when exposed to the sun. Food sources of vitamin D are limited, though it can be found in eggs, offal and mushrooms, dairy products, and oily fish like salmon. Vitamin K. Vitamin K, otherwise known as potassium, is a vital nutrient that is found in many brightly colored fruits, most notably bananas. Among its many uses, potassium is most well known for promoting healthy muscles and preventing muscle cramps and irritation. In terms of circulation and vein health, potassium can help strengthen arteries and veins and prevent bulging, making blood flow more smoothly and repairing damage. Actually, vitamin K is a pretty solid vitamin for vein health, but it's more popularly known as a vitamin to treat varicose veins. Rub vitamin K cream it on veins to build up capillary health. Vitamin K is also a strong anticoagulant. In fact, it is named for the German word. Blood clots are how the body heals itself from cuts. It also helps blood flow more smoothly in veins and reduce pressures inside them. Vitamin K is found in broccoli, mustard greens, Swiss chard, and Brussels sprouts. Potassium is readily available in many different supplements because of its many potential benefits for the body. But that's not all. It wasn't just vitamins that helped me on this journey. I also made some important lifestyle changes that played a crucial role in improving my blood circulation. Here's what I did. I started incorporating regular exercise into my routine. Activities like walking, cycling, and swimming worked wonders in increasing blood flow to my legs and feet. I made sure to stay well hydrated. Dehydration can lead to poor circulation, so I always kept a water bottle handy. I invested in high-quality compression socks. These help support my blood vessels and reduce swelling in my legs. Whenever I had the chance, I propped up my legs to encourage blood flow back to my heart. Take breaks from prolonged sitting or standing. If you have a desk job, try to stand up and move around for a few minutes every hour. If you stand for long periods, shift your weight from one leg to the other and take short sitting breaks. In addition to vitamin-rich foods, I focused on a balanced diet low in saturated fats and sodium. Excess body weight can put pressure on your lower limbs and impede circulation. Aim to achieve and maintain a healthy weight through a balanced diet and regular exercise. This further supported my overall vascular health. Regularly massaging your legs and feet can help stimulate blood flow and alleviate tension in the muscles. Keep your feet clean and dry. Trim your toenails carefully to avoid ingrown toenails. Inspect your feet regularly for any cuts, sores, or wounds, especially if you have diabetes. Quitting smoking is one of the most significant steps you can take to improve your vascular health. Smoking damages blood vessels and reduces circulation. Excessive alcohol and caffeine intake can dehydrate the body and potentially affect circulation negatively. Consume these substances in moderation. So if you're facing similar challenges, consider giving these vitamins a try and adopting some of these lifestyle changes. But remember, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If this story resonates with you, or if you have your own success stories to share, please do in the comments below. Together we can help others find solutions to their health concerns. Stay healthy, stay positive, and I'll catch you in the next video.